right. Now I'm so going to be the Call of Duty, and then I'm going to be the king of Call of Duty, which is my favorite game of all time. Okay, come on, shoot this ass. Hey, Mickey. Wow! No! Oh my God! I can't believe I lost the game. Now I'm not gonna be the king. Sorry, Mickey. Sorry. You made me lose the game. What game are you playing? It's Call of Duty Modern Warfare. What number? 2. Sorry, Mickey. I know that. Oh, yeah, there's someone at the door. I'm gonna get it. Excuse me. I'm gonna get it. Excuse me. Can't believe he made me miss. Hello? Wait, what's that? Free dog? I want a free dog. Okay. Come on in. I'll get your side. Okay, can you help me pull out? That one's very heavy. Thank you so much, Oakley. Such a good pet. Oh, you don't like me? Okay. Okay, I gotta open this. Hold on.
4 minutes later.
I wonder what's inside this box. Do you think, cats? Yeah, I wonder what's inside this box. Oh, look! It's Pluto! Look at that. He looks just like me. Like I'm a dog and you're a dog, right? Nice to meet you, Pluto. You look like a plant, right? Oh, yeah, sorry, I won't call you. Yo, you look so cute. I'm gonna get a cushy. Oh, maybe he doesn't like that. Maybe he likes... Ooh, fetch. I'll get it. Alright, Pluto. Do you like this ball? Here, try it. Alright, Pluto, fetch. Don't chew on my ball! Hey, no, bad dog. Alright, so you'll... Oh, let me go! Stop it, you're a bad dog, okay? Here, I'm gonna show you the Mickey. Come here. Alright, so I got my username started since Goofy's trying to make a jerk and made me miss. Now I'm trying to get started, get this thing ready. Hey, Mickey. Hold on. What do you want now, Goofy? Can you see I'm playing another Call of Duty game? Well, Mickey, there's something I got a surprise for you. What is it now? Is there something special for me? No, there's a package delivering at the door. Wait, there is? Yeah, it's a free dog. Goofy, you're our dog. Like, why do you need a pet dog? Like your friend or something? No, it's Pluto. Jesus Christ, Goofy! Where'd you get this thing at? I found it in the package delivery in our front yard. I think he has a stroke or something. Goofy, he doesn't have a stroke. I think he has rabies or something. He's not having rabies, Mickey. Quit picking a chill pill. Look at him. He's such a... Okay. Mickey, can you pet him? No, I'm not gonna pet him. Just do it. Okay. Ow! He bit my finger! You better keep your mouth shut! Yep, I'm alright, Pluto. It looks like he doesn't even like you. But, Pluto, you wanna watch some TV? Okay, come on, Pluto, it's an upstairs. Alright, Pluto. This is the TV room. We watch the TV a lot for like movie nights and shows and etc. But yeah, I gotta take a piss. You stay right there, don't make a mess, okay? Alright, now I got done taking the... Uh-oh. I gotta tell Mickey, but he'll beat my ass very hard. I'm afraid to tell him, but I gotta try. Mickey? What do you want, Goofy? There's something you got to see. What is it? Come look. Look. Oh my gosh! What happened to the living room? It's all ruined! The cats are being so mad right now! Oh, Mickey. Don't ever talk to me! Woohoo! You little bastard! Get back here! Get back here right now! Mickey, what are you doing? Follow me! Get your ass over here! Fuck! Where did you go? Mickey, why you had to kill my dog Pluto? Because he destroyed the couch! But he's a good dog. No, he's not! He destroyed the living room, and he destroyed the couch. That's all. He also bit my finger! While I was playing Call of Duty! Oh, you're right. You're right, Mickey. He has rabies, not a stroke. He has rabies. Yeah, Goofy. Next time you gotta listen to me. The dog Pluto has rabies. I know. I should listen to you. I'm so sorry. That's okay, Goofy. It happens. But we gotta kill Pluto. We gotta think. Oh, I know. What? A Nerf gun. Say again? A Nerf gun. Go get a Nerf gun. Aye, aye, Captain. Alright, Mickey. I got the Fortnite gun. Hell yeah, Goofy, you did. Okay. This time, we gotta check our inbox. Alright. Yep, we did. And then, let's go. Hold on. 1 second, please.
5 seconds later.
Alright, Goofy, I think we're all clear. Yeah, but we gotta be very quiet. Okay, Goofy, press the button and see what happens. See what he does. Wait, it worked! Yeah, because he was seeing the Shy Guy earlier. Wait, he did? This what I do is sit on you. Sit on you. Yeah, he did, but you gotta press the button because he's gonna eat us. Okay, here we go. Fire! Die, bitch! What the hell was that? We got you! He's getting orders. Do it again. We got you new ammo. My broken finger again. Give me that gun. I gotta kill this dog. Are you sure you're gonna do it? Yes, I am. He's about to die! Oh, shit! Die, bitch! Ugh! Huh. All takes care of there! But wait. I sorry about that, I was being evil, but those ammos are deserved for Pluto. Yup, it sure did. Well, I gotta put Pluto back in the package. Alright. Alright, Mickey, I put Pluto back in the package. But what do you want to pet now? Pet cat. Who, Oakley? Yeah. Do you want to pet it? Oh, sure, why not? Come on, you're a pet kitty. Coochie coo. Aw, you're so sweet. Oh my god, I feel so soft. Alright, but I am so glad everything is back to normal. But we gotta clean those embos. Yeah, we should. You want to help us, Oakley? Alright. Here. Play those embos.